Salam alaikum, hello everyone, this is Haifa's word. I hope you are fine when you are watching this video. Today we are not going to make the creative ideas. Today we're gonna make the chicken nuggets recipe. Like you can see, I have the chicken broast. I mashed it myself. I'm gonna put on it the bread crumbs. Or you can put the mashed toast bread. Put the thing that you have in your house, or you can put the toast bread and the chicken broast in the blender. Now I'm gonna put the garlic. You can leave it if you don't like it. It's a matter of taste. I'm gonna mix everything. Now I'm gonna put the spices. I'm gonna put a small spoon and a half of salt, and a small spoon of black pepper, small spoon of chicken spices. If you don't have it in your house, leave it. It doesn't necessary. And a small spoon of paprika. If you have also the soya sauce, you can put it. Mix everything until you get a paste that sticks in your hands. Use your hands when you are mix them. Now I finish mix them. I'm gonna grease my hands with the oil and start rolling out the chicken nuggets. Choose these papers. They are gonna help you so much. Follow my way. The picture will explain everything. And now I'm gonna cut in our chicken nuggets. I'm gonna cut it in squares, and also you can choose to cut it circles. These chicken nuggets, they are gonna be so delicious. Our family eats it in 1 minute. And now I have 1 egg. I'm gonna put on it the same spices I put in the chicken. Now I'm gonna take 1 square of chicken nuggets. I'm gonna put it in our eggs. And then I'm gonna put it in the breadcrumbs roasted. I move the camera so you can see. I'm gonna make all my chicken nuggets in the same way, and then I'm gonna put them in the skillet that contains a hot fried oil. Watch out when you are putting the chicken nuggets in the oil, the hot oil. I touched my hands in the oil and it was so painful. Now when it takes the golden color, I'm gonna take them and put them on the absorbent paper. This is our chicken nuggets. I hope you like them. If you like my recipe and like my channel, don't forget to subscribe and put like in the channel. Goodbye and bon appetit.